he's lost the duel. What little drive he has left belongs to the lionesses. The chase is on. He has the speed to outrun a lion, but the baobab pride has the numbers. As one lion tires, the next takes over in this deathly relay. The giraffe leads the lioness into a maze of twisted trees where attack is near impossible. The strategy has not paid off for the hungry pride. The hunter and the hunted. The defeated and the defiant. The battle to find a mate was lost, but this giraffe has escaped the teeth and claws of Ruaha's biggest pride.